Bristol-Myers Squibb is buying Karuna Therapeutics for $14 billion. Bristol was going to pay $330 a share for Karuna. The company currently has a potential blockbuster drug for the treatment of schizophrenia that had positive results under review by the FDA. The standard treatment now, as we were talking, Becky, it involves, and you've probably heard some of these words, dopamine and serotonin and those receptors, neurotransmitters, and
give you good feelings.
If you think about it, the learning exactly how the brain works, that's almost the last frontier. We can understand a lot of other things, but human thought and consciousness and what mediates it, it's mediated through chemicals, which is unbelievable. But the existing therapies do something either with the dopamine receptors or dopamine and serotonin. This works on muscarinic receptors, which are acetylcholine. And there's not that many neurotransmitters. There's epinephrine and...
I still don't understand it. I know we were talking about it a little bit. That means what? It goes after your muscular skeletal?
Well, acetylcholine is at the neuromuscular junction. And you remember curare, which the Amazon, Indians use that with the poison dart.
Yeah.
It's acetylcholinesterase. If you break down acetylcholine where your nerves can't stimulate your muscles, you stop breathing and you die. But so acetylcholine is used for a lot of things, but you think of higher brain centers using dopamine or serotonin. So it's interesting, but this is a novel mechanism because there's a lot of problems with existing antipsychotic drugs, a lot of side effects, and people don't like being on them really, and you need them. If you have, unfortunately, have one of these horrific disease, hallucinations and
this is an experimental drug for schizophrenia, but
also works on some other things.
Bipolar disorder, they think it would work on, and also Alzheimer's, which I don't quite understand.
All mediated by everything. It goes on in your brain is mediated by these neurotransmitters. So as we get further,
it's exciting new research to get to that point, and that's why they're thinking that this drug could potentially surpass $6 billion in yearly sales if it's approved for all these various uses, which is why you see the big price tag that Bristol-Myers is willing to pay.
I mean, Alzheimer's, what that does to families. Think about what truly someone in their 20s that has schizophrenia or bipolar disease, it's devastating. Yeah.